Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Jason coming at you one more again. I'll be making or show you how to make a tire paddle, sanding paddle, whatever you want to call it. Help you scuff tires, sand them down, just get them ready to run. All right, things you're gonna need. You're gonna need like a spray adhesive. You're gonna need 2 types of sandpaper. One sandpaper is 120 grit, your 80 grit sandpaper. So one's mildly or not that aggressive, and one's super aggressive. To kind of take the edges and the treads kind of off the tire quicker, and then another one's kind of like to smooth it out. I recommend getting a paint spatula, preferably like a metal one. You can get all this at like Home Depot, Lowe's, wherever. Next, what I like to do is take my spatula or spreader or whatever you want to call it, and not really doing anything, but I kind of just like to scratch it up a little bit. Kind of hard to do it, but just puts like some little scratches in it. To me, it kind of, I don't know, in my mind, I think it helps the paint hold just a little bit better. So I'll just kind of like to, take something, just kind of scratch it, but not deep scratches in it. Next, I just, want to take the paint spatula with my adhesive and just kind of spray it on there. And then I got it sprayed on there, kind of stringy. And then I'll take my grit sandpaper, put it on like that, put something on top of it, and let it sit. And then put the other one. And just kind of let it sit for a while. So kind of like that right there. And then for some of y'all that ever skateboarded back in the day, you could take like a metal object or whatnot and kind of find your edges. This old grip tape trick if you're a skater back in the day. Yeah. So now you got your outline. And you just take your pair of scissors or whatever you got cutting and just cut around your outline. So sanding paddles. Here's one that I made for stock when I raced 17.5 against Owen Simmons. Here's one that I made out of a plastic one, plastic handle. In 17.5, only the center of the tire can be completely bald, but the outside of the tire has to have a tread or a razor blade depth of tread or height of tread. So here's one I made just to get the center of the tire. And then also the sandpaper is not that. This is your boy Jason, RcVitals. If you liked the video, thought it was helpful, could help you out at races or whatnot, like and subscribe, give it a thumbs up, hit that bell notification to get updates on all my videos. I'm here today at Beach RC getting some laps in, trying to get some testing in, ready for Masters of Dirt coming up here in October. But yeah, thank y'all for tuning in. Thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting. I do have my merch down below. I don't have my shirt on at this minute, but I have a merch down below. I sell shirts like off Teespring or whatnot. I think I have a Patreon, but I haven't set that up yet. But I'll put that down below. Maybe be set up by the end of this video or finish uploading and whatnot. But again, thank you so much. And if you see me at races, come up and talk to me. Say what's up. I'm just like everybody else, 100% unsponsored, just like everybody else. I go buy from the hobby stores and individuals but mostly hobby stores, support hobby stores. Everywhere I go, I try to, you know, spend money in the hobby stores. Shop local hobby stores and support your local hobby store. But yeah, see y'all guys soon. Ladies, gents, see you soon.